Now, can you check?
Yes.
This is just because of the
Button.
now off,
Yes.
off, everyone off.
Yes.
Just because. Now that's how we have to connect any kind of button. Done? Yes, done. Okay. Now first part is done. Now the second part we have to connect the servo motor and the with the Arduino board. Yes. For that we will see the diagram. So for that we will use we will Ashe quite okay. Class, can you check? Now I need jumper wires. Manu, you are Manu na? Marosh, can you help us? Give me jumper wire from there of ultrasonic sensor. Can you see that?
Yes.
VCC, trigger, eco and GND. GND stand for?
Ground.
Yes, Shabash. GND stand for?
Ground.
GND stand for?
Ground.
GND stand for ground. Okay. VCC stand for? Yes, right. And 5P. VCC stand for? 5P. So I will connect GND and so I will connect the brown one for the GND and VCC, red for the VCC. So I have to connect where? I have to connect this into the Arduino board. I have to connect this into the Arduino board. So brown, GND and 5P. Done. Now the ultrasonic sensor connection has been done. First point. Now the second one, trigger. Trigger wire is going where? Which pin number?
5.
Shabash. So we need two wires. So eco is the yellow one and trigger is the orange one. Okay, eco pin is connected where? Pin number 6. Eco. Eco is yellow. Eco is the yellow one. So we have to connect on the pin number 6. And the trigger is on the 5. So we have done till here. Done? Class? Okay. The ultrasonic sensor connection has been done. Ultrasonic connection has been done. Done, class? Now just check. Wait, okay, we have to connect the servo as well. For the servo, we will use male-to-male jumpers because it has a. Okay, there are 3 wires. Okay, check the colors. Class, check the colors. One is yellow, one is red, and the third one is brown. That is brown. That is brown or black. It's okay. Okay. So for the brown, class ready? Class ready?
Yes, sir.
So for the brown we will use GND. So I will connect GND into GND. Okay, the second one is red one, na? Red one for red. I will use. Actually, we don't have the software in that system. Na? Excuse me? Leave that. Let's see the Arduino options here. For that, we use the upload stage. We use the upload mode. Sorry. We use the upload mode. Okay. For the first step, what we will do? Just have a look. The first step is when Arduino Uno starts up, we will place the Arduino Uno starts up here. Use if yes, if then else, and if then else we will use the sensors command over here, and we will use the IR, which is on the pin number 2, and for that set digital pin because we have 3 ports. Okay, one is VCC, second one is GND, and third one is out. Can you see that? Can you see that the label on behind it? Okay, first one is VCC. I have connected the violet color with the VCC. So in the Arduino board, but I will connect the violet color on the 5 pin. Okay, the second one is the blue. The blue I am connecting on the GND. GND stand for ground. So I will connect GND wire with the GND. And the second one, the third one, the green one is I am connecting it with the out. And for out, what I am doing, I will connect on the pin number 2, 0, 1, 2. Can you see that? I have